So this video is going to teach you, hopefully, how to use isometric paper and to draw in an isometric way. And the paper we're going to be using is the dotty paper. Now you need to make sure it's the right way up, and it will depend on how it's printed, either portrait or landscape, but it should look very similar to what's in front of you on the screen. Now there are 3 different directions you are allowed to draw in. You can draw straight up and down. So these directions, that's great. You can draw moving towards the right, if you like, okay, moving in those directions, following those lines like that. And you can also move to the left, if you like, moving this way, following those lines like that. Now those are the only directions that you're allowed to draw in if you're drawing shapes based out of cubes. So let's have a look at that. Let's have a think of some examples. So here's a good one. On isometric paper, draw 3 different diagrams that represent a cuboid with side length 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 2 centimeters. So let's have a look what one of those might look like. And there's the first one. And notice that we're counting as we go along here. So the 5 centimeters is going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 3 centimeters across. 1, 2, 3, and 2 centimeters back. 1, 2. Other versions of this to be drawn may well look like this. This is 5 up, but the dimensions of the 2 centimeters and the 3 centimeters have changed somewhat. And the final version is going to look something like this, where we have the 5 centimeters going back, the 3 going up, and the 2 going across there. So those are 3 different versions drawn of the same shape on isometric paper. The last thing we're going to look at here is a prism. We need to draw this on isometric paper. This is going to be a little complicated because it has a diagonal line. So first of all, let's think about the 5 centimeters going back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're now going to think about the 2 going across at the base. 1, 2. 4 going up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it must be that that side joins down to the bottom of the shape. So that's going to join in there. We're going to go 5 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. And then that's going to join down to there. That's quite a challenging one. Because it wasn't in the cubic fashion that we're used to when we're drawing with isometric paper. Okay, that should be enough to get on with the exercise below. Good luck!